birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate ko na birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless and everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day!
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you and happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday sa'yo. At sana lahat ng gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo ay matupad. Happy birthday.
Ate Arlene, happy birthday. Wishing you a wonderful birthday and a year filled of love and happiness.
Happy birthday, Ate Arlene. Ang lagi namang prayer namin for you is good health para mas marami pang birthday yung may experience mo, mas marami pang blessings yung may experience mo. Dahil for sure, mas marami pang blessing ang darating sa buhay mo dahil mabuti ang puso mo. Yun lang, we love you, Ate Arlene. Alam mo naman yan. And thank you sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin, pamula nung nagkaroon kami ng pamilya. Talagang nandiyan kayo ni Kuya Robert for us to support kung naman yung mga pangangailangan namin. Kaya naman, thank you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ate Arlene. Wishing you all the best in life po. More joy, good health, and syempre po more blessings. Stay beautiful as always, ate. Kaya pala nawala si Angel Locsin sa Pinas. Sa Abu Dhabi pala siya nag-stay. Sa flat 705. Yun lang, ate. Happy birthday and God bless you.
Hello, Ate Arlene.
Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong birthday mo. And ang wish ko sa'yo, stay pretty and umaba pa sana ang buhay mo para makita mo ang iyong grandchildren. And we love you. Enjoy. See you.
Hi Arlene, happy birthday. I wish you happy and wonderful year ahead. Thank you so much for all your kind and all your hard work and your patience. Happy birthday, Arlene.
Hi, Tita Arlene. Happy birthday po. Wish you all the best po. Sana mag-enjoy kayo ngayong araw. At may mga babati pa po sa inyo. Po sila.
Hello po, Tita
Tita Arlene.
Tita Arlene, happy birthday po.
Okay, that's Matthew. Isaiah.
Hi, Tita Arlene. Happy birthday po.
Okay.
Hello girl! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best in your life. Thanks for the love and for the friendship. Love you, girl!
Happy birthday, bebe! I wish you all good things sa life mo that makes you happy and fulfilled. Thank you for always by my side, my BFF, my confidante, my comrade. Na-appreciate ka at binavalue ko yan, be. Always be a better version of yourself and continue to be a blessing to others. Thank you, be, sa everything, sa lahat-lahat. And I love you, be.
Happy birthday, sweet Arlene. May your birthday be beautiful as you are. God bless. More years. I miss you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Sana mag-enjoy ka sa birthday celebration mo.
wish ko sa'yo, sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming birthday para maabutan mo pa yung pagyaman ko. Yun lang. Happy birthday, Mother! Best of health! Love you!
Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. I'm so grateful to have you as our mom. And siguro ngayon, naiinis ka sa akin dahil ang arte-arte ko na naman. Alam mo naman, sa'yo lang naman ako nagmana. And nainis ka rin siguro dahil kahit anong gawin mo, magkamukha tayo. Naisip ko rin, kung gali tayo. Never mind.
Happy birthday, my loves. Another year older. Ilang taon ka na nga ba? 34 na nga ba? Parang hindi kasi tumatanda. Parang ako lang yung tumatanda. Anyways, ang wish ko on your special day is more blessings to come, more fruitful years, good health, and when it comes naman sa trabaho, I will not be surprised sakaling may mararating ka pang mas malayo at mas maganda, because I know naman kung gaano ka ka-hardworking. And another wish is given a chance, another part of the family. Thank you, my loves, for all the support. You've always been there with me in every aspect of life, and I really appreciate it. Just stay as you are, dahil diyan kami nahal ng maraming tao. And ang hihingin ko lang siguro is to grow older with you and spend my life with you, my loves. You should know that ikaw ang aking spinach, and at the same time ikaw din ang aking kryptonite. Again, my loves, I hope you enjoy your special day, and I know that you know how much I love you. I love you, my loves.
Siguro na ba yan?
Happy birthday. Na, malaman kita. Sana matupad mo lagi yung gusto mo. Para tumatapad mo yung buhay. Love you. Love you lang.
Ay, ne, thank you sa lahat-lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Maraming salamat. Nai-spoil mo yung papa mo.
Kaya eh.
Spoil lang ako.
Happy birthday. Huwag kang magbabago. Maraming salamat. Yan lang. Magpaka-bait at magpaganda ka pa.
At kung kalilimutan lagi mo kasama.
Love you.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Ano pa? Ayos pa? Ayos. Lalo na. Yun nga pala. Matutupad yung pangarap mo. Malapit ka maging engineer to. Si Utoy. At ang apelido niyan, Paulo Yuhan Panty na. Wala na yung Yuhan Paulo Panty. Ayaw mo, man, tabing